Do I know what I'm doing? No, absolutely not. I'm giving Angelica right now. All I know is that it's coming out cute. So bear with me. So I don't know if you can see it, but okay, I'll explain first. So what I did was I did 8 rows in front of my head, and then I did little boxes in those rows, and I did little boxes in the rows. And then whereas I've seen people do a lot of just smooth it back with gel and then connect it to the next box, but the braid gel that I use it lasts for like a couple days, but then it starts to get real, it wears off, because I like to moisturize my hair like a lot because it gets real itchy. So I did twists. I don't know if you can see them. I'll get a better picture and put it, let me see, put it, I have my edges out because we don't braid the edges over here. Team save the edges. Still don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm in between like 3 styles, and I'm also trying to like combine a couple. I don't know. Once I start braiding, then we'll see what happens. We have progress. Sorry y'all, showed y'all the front, and the back I've started braiding. I'll show y'all when I have more progress, but what I really wanted to come back and show you was that the ends, I was torn between having them wavy or curly or just leaving them long and just regularly braided. So, or I was gonna do the beads like all over, but that would get on my nerves. I did kind of like a Bantu knot-ish thing on the ends. I don't know if you can see it, but that's not a good example. That one's raggedy. Like this one is 2. So I have those 2. I put some mousse on my hair, just some cheap mousse, and wrapped it up in these, and then I'm going to dip them, let them dry, and then unravel them. And my plan is on these braids where the rubber band crisscross things are, I'm going to do beads. In my head, I can't picture it. This is why I'm struggling so much, because usually with my styles, I just like, I can picture how I want it to look. I can just picture the elements of this one, so I don't know. Sorry for the fan. I'm in a small space and I just dipped my ends. But yeah, girl, I forgot how hazardous this is because I just burned myself. But anyway, good news. I'm finished braiding. I did my edges, so I tied them up. I mixed the Sweetie Collab Edge Control with some Gorilla Snot gel on my edges and tied those down while I finished braiding and did my ends. I'm about to blow dry them to see if I can unravel them tonight. But if not, I'll show y'all tomorrow. Okay, so my hair isn't exactly how I wanted it, which is a lot because I don't know how I wanted it. But anyway, I just had to come back, show y'all these edges. Wait, can you see them? They look good. Like, they look so good. And as far as my hair, so let me see. I have the curly ends and my beads, which the beads are perfect. It's just the curls for me that I don't particularly like. So I may go back and plait them up so I can make crinkly ends. I just know I don't want them straight. So yeah, this will be my hair for like a week or so. And y'all, this is tight. I haven't braided my hair in a minute, so It's tight. And it took me like 6 hours. Not too shabby, especially since I kept stopping. But ooh, it's the edges for me. Getting to it